Okay. Things have happened to the X1-Carbon, as you can see. I'm trying something. So, there's our old chamber light, okay? Here's hopefully our new chamber light. So I got it all hooked up. As you can see, I just said, F it, cutting the wires. You know, it's only a $1,500 machine, you know, it's just for light that don't do much anyways. So, moment of truth. Please work. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. Alright, well, I'll be back. So, I busted out these tools I don't know how to use. I'm just going to pretend like I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to turn on a light. Sitting at 5 volts. Well, just under 5 volts. This guy's 24 volts. Huh. No wonder it won't work. So, let's see what I can get. I'm going to make this work. Oh, this will work. This will work.